Okay, so now, as a continuation from the other video, I told you that the hobbies and the skills here must align with that of a personal assistant. So going back to our chat, don't start a new chat as I've always mentioned. Now ask ChatGPT, list skills for this CV. It already knows that you are talking about a personal assistant and has looked at all your work experience. So that's what it will use to list the skills that you have. So you can also specify that these skills for this CV is okay like that. These skills for this CV. Let's see what we have. Communication, organization, time management, problem solving, attention to details, teamwork, multitasking, computer skills. So you don't want to write all these stories. So you can ask it to write these skills as a section for the CV I am creating. Just list them. Okay, so of course there are some that you would remove ourselves, but it's very important to know that the way this table was formatted in the first place, it was a I wrote all of this in a table. So if I paste directly, it might cause problem. You see it. So instead of that, yeah, I have to probably select what I need. Let me just paste it here so that I can work with what I need. Let's remove all the ones we don't need first. Excellent communication skill, yes. Strong organizational ability, proficient in time management, problem solving skills, attention to details, very important. Exceptional teamwork, you can see that in all of my job description, all my experience. Adaptability is very important since I'm not working as on a site. Multitasking, proficiency in Microsoft Suite, strong research ability, record keeping. I think everything is useful. So what you want to do first is to remove all these bullet points. Please, as I'm removing these bullet points, please, if you like this video, do well to subscribe to my channel and comment and tell me things that you want me to make video on about ChatGPT. Okay, so I have all of this now. Quick learner, control C, control. Okay, quick learner should be somewhere in the middle, not as the first thing that you want to see. Yeah, it's because of the table that it is. So you might not have to go through this stress. You want me to teach you how I made this table? Let me know in the comment section. God keeping confidentiality. Let's use Control X so that we will not repeat what I already have. I don't think I need this customer service oriented. I don't also think I need this. Proficiency in Microsoft package. I already have it as tools and technology. So I'm going to remove this because I already have it in my tools. Multitasking ability. Let me leave this addend to correction. Attention to details, very important. Exceptional teamwork. I have that. Problem solving. Adaptability. Control X. We're almost there. Okay, so we may have to edit the arrangement of this. Record keeping confidentiality. Let's bring the one that are written in very excellent communication skills is already repeated twice. Record keeping confidentiality. Added instruction. Multitasking, attention to details, exceptional teamwork. You understand why I'm bringing those in long sentence to this table? Because I've made this column to be wider. So it's easier to see them once and for all here. Yeah, I think we are good like this. So we can add two more to make it arranged.